Good evening. My name is Tarmo and my geocaching name is Metroboy. Today I'm here in beautiful Wickford where we celebrate the Worldwide Postcard Day. Officially, Worldwide Postcard Day is celebrated on 1st of October every year. But today, this is the weekend and the celebration events taking place here in South Essex. There was daytime event in Hylands Park near Chelmsford, and there's this evening event where I'm taking a part today. It's very nice sunny day. The sun is already going away, so that there's not much light left. And I hope I can take some video footage showing how it's all taking place. I do have a couple of geocaches here in Wickford as well, and I just did the maintenance one that is dedicated to the Derby diggers. And Derby diggers were put together here in Wickford. They were quite highly priced. There's still a pub dedicated to this digger. And another one, well, it's Village Shine, which is over there. That's behind me. Obviously, it's not hidden in there. To find the cache, you need to solve a simple jiggity puzzle. Nothing special. And the geocache is not too far away from this location where I am right now standing. Anyway, enough of talking. I'm already late. I need to go and attend the Worldwide Postcard Day. Here we go. Let's meet. This is Ken, is it? Robin Hood 17. Hood. Yes. And we are both heading to the Geo meet, but on the way there we found the geocache. Obviously, I found it a long time ago, and it was exactly in the same location where it was 3 years ago. Marvelous. The Bosch Boys Brewery. Hello.
Hi!
I see familiar faces. Hello. So it's your second meet today already, is
yes.
it?
Yeah. And fourth in 2 days.
Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah.
There was one in London at Elephant and Castle at 8:30 in the morning yesterday. I thought, well, if I go to that, I can still get to the office at a reasonable time. So yesterday was one of my London days. And then GoPass had an after one at the Tower of London. So that was 2.
So, for the greater good, I'm gonna make a donation. I received this in post today, and this is my NE Geocaching Supplies subscription box. I covered it in one of my videos already, but this time I am feeling generous, and we do this unboxing here on this event, and I'm gonna give these away to all of these attendees. So here we go. Would you be so kind?
Okay. Oh, you haven't equipped me with Geocacher, always has something handy to open the box with, obviously.
Oh, you have a nice one. Show me, please. Okay, it's like a multi-tool Swiss Army knife.
Yeah, some scissors and essential.
Oh, tweezers as well. Okay.
Very handy for trimming log sheets.
It's always good to have a pair of tweezers.
Oh, you got the same thing basically.
Yes, mine's was a work freebie a long time ago. So long ago the writing has come off. Okay, here we go. There we go. So, Northeast Geocaching Supplies.
Yeah.
So we have I can vouch for it. Very nice pen, just like the one I've just put away.
Yeah, good quality ones.
Excellent for writing on right in the rain paper and soggy logs.
I'm feeling already sorry that I give this everything away because that's something I really like.
And we have some little micro-sized containers.
Yep.
We have, very appropriate for Halloween.
Ooh.
The
Yeah.
October box with a little bat on the tube. Then we have,
I guess it's
curious, another little cash container.
sometimes we need to put this together with heat gun. I think that's already pre-made.
Yes, I think it's got a magnetic top on it. I'll have to open the packet on that one and find out what's inside it.
Yep.
Some of I like these, they're very nice little logbooks. I've bought
Yeah.
7 of these myself.
I've used 3 of them on my Mercash and that's gone 3 times robbed.
There we go, proxy tags. When your trackable goes missing in action, you can send it out again with some proxy tags.
Yep.
We have some perfect little pencils,
Yep.
putting in geocaches.
Yep.
We have, what to call?
Oh, that's the main event. That's the Halloween.
No, the little path tag size Halloween trackable.
Yep.
And some very useful to have in your caching bag, hand wipes.
Oh, they're generous.
After you've got all
2
muddy.
this times. Usually get just
And
1.
a variety of little log sheets.
Nice.
There we go, I think that's it.
I guess that's it. So everything here is for the sharing and I promise I won't take anything. So everything is for everyone.
There we go. So we have a little tube with a magnet heat shrink attached to it, and it unscrews, but it's nice and black, so it's well disguised. And then a little length of copper wire. You wrap the log sheet around it, and it makes it easier to get the log sheet out of the tube.
You need to glue it onto the log sheet. You need to glue it onto the log sheet.
You can glue it on, yeah, or just wrap it around, I suppose. I've never actually made one, but I've found caches with them on sometimes.
Same with
Yeah.
matchsticks.
Yeah.
I'm already stocked up for next.
Very good.
Well, that's a massive amount of postcards.
I can't think of anything sensible to
Yeah. So where are all those postcards to be sent?
Well, some of them are to be sent to you guys.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Grab a few
May
of
I
them.
give a peek? May I give a peek? Okay. Oh, thank you for World Postcard Day celebration. Oh, that's nice. And I like the logo, of course. Who is that one? Who is that penguin?
Well, that's what I do for letterbox ones. I've got a stamp with a